Hi, welcome to our comprehensive video course on mastering Follina, exploitation, detection, and mitigation. In this series, we are diving deep into understanding how the Follina vulnerability operates, the various ways it can be exploited, and the most effective strategies to detect and mitigate this significant security risk in your systems. Let's see the course roadmap. Section 1 introduces the Follina zero-day vulnerability, providing a detailed background on its discovery and the historical context of malicious Office file exploits. We will start by unveiling Follina, delving into the evaluation of exploits targeting Microsoft Office, and laying down the cybersecurity fundamentals essential for understanding this threat. The history of Follina, including significant incidents of exploitation, sets the stage for the deep dive to come. Moving into Section 2, we go into the depths of the technical aspects of the Follina vulnerability. You will learn about how the anatomy of Microsoft Office documents, uncovering potential vulnerabilities, and the role of the Microsoft Windows Super Diagnostic Tool, or in short, MSDT, in Follina's exploitation. Through real-world examples and practical exercises, you will see firsthand how attackers exploit this vulnerability. Also create your own malicious document. Section 3, we focus on detection and prevention strategies. You will learn how to scan for vulnerabilities, identifying signs of Follina exploitation, and implement effective mitigation and protection measures. This section is crucial for those looking to improve cybersecurity practices, offering lessons on documenting findings and enhancing resilience against similar vulnerabilities. This course is constructed mainly for ethical hackers or penetration testers, vulnerability researchers, system administrators, vulnerability managers, SOC analysts, and blue teamers. Prior expertise in the field is not a prerequisite. The only requirement for enrollment is the interest in cybersecurity. We invite all individuals who are committed to learning about threat prevention, such as Follina vulnerability, to join us. Together, we will deepen our understanding and refine our techniques to better protect against evolving cyber threats. This Follina course offers a deep technical dive suitable for both offensive and defensive cybersecurity professionals. While it delves into complex aspects of the Follina vulnerability, the instruction remains clear and hands-on, ensuring learners of all levels can apply the knowledge effectively. This course is created to help you get better at your cybersecurity skills, whether you want to learn how to protect or how to perform penetration tests better. All right, let's get started. Wishing you all the best of success as we dive in.